बिकॉज बहुत सारे फोरेक्स कंपनीज है जो लिटरली आपसे लूट लेते हैं यार, मतलब एक एक यूरो का प्राइस बहुत ज़्यादा हाई लगा लेते हैं. नॉट एनी मोर एक्चुअली इफ़ यू गो ऑन nikshala.com. Alright guys, so welcome back once again. If you're somebody new to my channel, my name is Nikhilesh and I live here in Berlin. I'm here with my friend. What's your name?
Mansi.
And today's video is about how much cash you should carry, where can you get euros from INR, and how much money you should carry in your forex card. You're currently studying right now, right?
Yeah.
It's been how long that you're here now?
5 months.
5 months. How much cash did you carry when you were on the way to Germany?
I carried around 1.5 to 2 lakh in hand.
Okay.
Yeah.
And where did you get this exchanged?
I get it exchanged in my own city, like my hometown in Bhopal itself.
Okay. So you had to go somewhere?
Yeah.
So not anymore actually. If you go on nikshala.com, there's a section called as finance. When you click finance, there are few companies we have given. You'll find 3 categories: request for forex card, request for cash, and when you request for cash, this cash will be actually brought at home at your home address. There's also a section where you can pay your tuition fees from wherever you are to Germany or to anywhere else in the world. Since a lot of you guys are on the way to Germany in winter intake 2024, watch today's video till the end. So when I came years back, ठीक है, almost 10-12 साल पहले, ठीक है, that time the cost of living wasn't that high, ठीक है, and also the immediate money where you'll be required to pay is house security, right?
Deposit, yeah.
Deposit,
The
right?
deposit.
Did you pay your deposit using your
Yes.
2 lakh rupees? Okay.
Because the blocked amount, the blocked account get time to get activated.
Yeah, yeah.
So I had to use that cash for that deposit and for the first month rent of the house.
First transaction कितने का हुआ फिर?
450 plus 450. Yeah, that
Okay.
was 900 euros.
So almost 900 euros gone like
Gone.
that. Okay, okay. So technically you were left with what, 1000 euro almost?
Huh?
Huh?
Bas, that is it.
Okay, okay. And how fast were you able to unblock your account?
It took me around 25 days.
Okay, okay.
The procedure gets, it takes time.
So if you were to recall your journey, right, to Germany, the day you landed there, कहाँ कहाँ आपको खर्चा लगा? मतलब कैश कहाँ कहाँ देना पड़ा?
आते से ऐसे तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं था, बट हाँ, फर्स्ट तो डिपॉजिट, देन द रेंट, उसके बाद ग्रोसरीज वगैरह. सो ये वाला मेन था.
What about taxi from airport to accommodation?
I took the U-Bahn only. My
अरे
friends
वाह
were
ये. Nice यार.
yeah, they helped me. So I took the U-Bahn and that is
Okay.
it. तो उसमें हो गया था. तो the Deutschland ticket, हाँ, वो लिया था. तो that was for 49 euros.
ऑनलाइन खरीदा था?
नहीं वो अरेंज, मतलब मेरे फ्रेंड के कार्ड से लिया था.
अच्छा,
because
किसी
मेरा
और ने
तो
लिया था.
activated नहीं था.
राइट 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 राइट. लुक, अगर आपके फ्रेंड्स हैं तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं है सो डोंट वरी. माय सजेशन टू यू वुड बी कैरी एटलीस्ट 500 to 600 in cash, and forex card भी you can request from the same section which I suggested you. And in forex card I will suggest you to bring at least 1500 to 2000 euros. Given the current cost of living and the way situations are going on right now, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि घर मिल रहा है but immediate cash नहीं है हाथ. You will end up losing that apartment probably because सामने वाला हो सकता है ये सोच ले कि यार आप reliable नहीं हो, आप पैसे नहीं दे रहे हो, and this is a first interaction, so try to avoid that. Also if we talk about tier 1 city, pretty much वहाँ पर at least आप 2 से 2500 यूरो ले आओ beside your blocked account. वो तो अलग ही है, वो तो अनब्लॉक होगा तब यूज करोगे आप. तो ये जो टेक्निकली ऐसा देखा जाए, you carried 2000 euros in cash.
Yeah.
और forex में कितना था?
20,000.
200 यूरो.
हाँ, but-
उसको यूज किया कि नहीं?
एक दो जगह खाली ग्रोसरीज के टाइम पे, उसके अलावा तो इट वाज ऑल बाय कैश.
And how fast did you exhaust the 2000 euros which you came with?
It is still with me. I mean, I think I have 200-300 euros with me still. Yeah, it is still there.
Right. और फिर अनब्लॉक हो गया था अकाउंट in 25 days,
हाँ,
right?
अगले जब अनब्लॉक हुआ तो फिर उसके बाद आई गॉट माई कार्ड, द ATM कार्ड, तो फिर उसके बाद वो यूज हो रहा है.
Okay. Cool, yaar. This is a very short video. Request for your forex card at home. Request for your cash at home. Go ahead and browse through nikshala.com, and I think you don't need to leave your house basically to get these services now in today's time and age. Okay? And make sure that you trust right company as well when you are बाइंग यूरोस, बिकॉज बहुत सारे फोरेक्स कंपनीज है जो लिटरली आपसे लूट लेते हैं यार, मतलब एक एक यूरो का प्राइस बहुत ज्यादा हाई लगा लेते हैं, राइट? जब आप इंडियन रुपीज से यूरो खरीद रहे हो, ऑलवेज चेक मल्टीपल वेबसाइट्स विच वेबसाइट इज गिविंग यू अ गुड रेट, ओके? एंड फोरेक्स कार्ड में तो आप अपने रेगुलर बैंक अकाउंट से ट्रांसफर कर सकते हो डायरेक्ट, एंड द गुड पार्ट ऑफ फोरेक्स कार्ड जनरली इज यू कैन यूज दैट लिटरली एनीवेयर, यू कैन विड्रॉ कैश एज वेल, यू कैन पे इट लाइक विद अ टैप एज वेल. वीजा या मास्टर कार्ड होगा तो बेहतर होगा, बिकॉज दैट वर्क्स प्रीटी मच सीमलेसली एनी POS पॉइंट ऑफ सेल पे, ठीक है? इफ यू मेड इट टिल हियर, हिट दैट thumbs up button, make sure that you check the description of this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.